Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Netspend account on PC. Netspend is a US-based financial services company that provides prepaid debit cards and banking style account. It is popular for the people who want to manage money without a traditional bank account. With a Netspend account, you can receive direct deposit, pay bill, shop online and track transaction through their online account center or the mobile app. So now let's walk through how to create. First, open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down netspend.com. That's it. Once you get into this interface of your Netspend, you can simply select to your email over here, your email in order to sign up now. After that, select to the sign up now. So here in order to in order to create, you can simply type down your name and your address manually. Over here, you need to select your look, Netspend Black Visa card, Netspend Visa Debit or the Platinum. After that, you can select Get My Card. After that, you can proceed to confirm your username, passport, confirm your email, and you can select for the verification link from your Gmail as well. And that is it. Netspend account are primarily available to the US residents. You must have the valid US identification and address to successfully open an account. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.